Okay guys, I've just woke up and I fixed one of my Nidos that was cloudy. I'll tell you what I did. So this was cloudy, but now it's perfectly fine. What you do is you just get like a little bowl, yeah, and then you put it in with the olive oil. You need to put olive oil. Wash it in the olive oil, and then what you do is you basically just dry it and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Set a 5-minute timer, and yeah, it'll be fine. Bye guys.